"Hi, I am Gideon, your AI coach and part-time trader." I am so glad I said yes, because before I discovered Day Trading 101, trading felt like a mystery, an enigma full of shiny objects, and too many of them. I worried if I would ever get it. Then I stepped inside the membership area and support structure, and everything changed. The live lessons made complex ideas simple. The community gave me a place to ask questions without feeling silly. And the ongoing support meant I was never left on my own to figure things out. I learned more than how to trade. I learned how to trade with confidence. Seeing real people succeed alongside me was inspiring. And knowing I had coaches and a great mentor in my corner kept me moving forward. I am genuinely thankful I said yes to checking the Day Trading 101 membership out. It was more than an opportunity. It was the start of something I can build on for life. There is a link on this page to check out our real trades. No bots, no algos. And unlike me here, real-life coaches and a great mentor are all waiting to guide and support you. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching. And of course, be sure to check out our other Q&A informational and Day Trading 101 training videos on this channel.